Hello guys, hello YouTube. It's been a while. I haven't been updating my tutorial series, but I promise you we'll be starting soon. And this time we'll make it more advanced than it was before. But today we will be creating a little tutorial on the background color animation, the one you see in the Instagram application. So this is what we'll be doing in this tutorial. So let's just get to it. Okay guys, so let's start with the tutorial. Now I have a blank project already set up with some widgets in it. I have some edit text and some content layout guidelines, also a, image view, text view, and all of that. So we need to just get started with the tutorial. So to start, I have already some drawing that I made already. What I'm going to do is to copy the drawables to the drawable folder in my project. So I'm going to highlight everything and then I'm going to just copy and then Ctrl V and I'll paste everything. So the animation background is what we'll be using as the background color. So to the layout file, we will add the background to it and also some IDs to it. Okay, so first we start by adding the background. So we will say Android background, and then we have to choose the driver that I showed you in the file explorer, which is at drawable. Then we need to target the animation color driver. So once you click that, just give it a second to update the UI, and then this is the driver I was talking about. So now the next thing to do is to give it an ID. I'm sorry about that. As you can see, that is the color rendering, which is the gradient color actually. So gradients, if you don't know what it is, it's just a way of mixing two colors together in one box, like an activity or layout. Okay, so I will head over to the class now and then declare some variables and some animation variable to continue. So start by saying private. First one is the layout that we'll be targeting, which is the constraint layout in our case. So we say constraints layout. Then we can just give the name of a layout container. So this way we'll be able to identify it very, very easily. And the next one is to declare the animation drawable. So we call the animation drawable class, which is the animation drawable. So just hit enter, and then we just give the name of animation drawable. So at this point, I will just stop talking and then just working. So the life at this point we override some life cycle methods as to check as to determine if we should start the animation or stop it. So we'll start with the on resume method, and then first of all we have to check if the animation is not running, and also check if it's not equal to null. So we start by saying if animation drawable is not equal to null, and if the animation is currently not running. So we say dot is running, then we add the exclamation mark at the start of it. But first of all, we start it, then don't forget the exclamation mark. So that reverses the statement, okay? And the next life cycle method we will override is the onPause method. And the onPause method is the same. We also check if the animation is not equal to null, and also if it is currently running. So we just copy and paste it and then make a few change. So if it's currently running, then we should stop it. Okay, and then I think we are almost done here, so let's just cross check everything to make sure that we're done. So the next thing to do is to run our application and see. So let me connect my device and then check it. Okay, my device is up, so we just click OK. My device is already selected, so I'll just click OK. And I'm going to pause the video here and then come back when it's done building. Okay guys, welcome back. So let me show it to you. As you can see, the animation is working smoothly, but though the UI is kind of blurred, it's because of my device. Now I encountered a problem. I just want to let me run you through it. So first of all, my initial project that I copied the code from was converted to Android X. So I copied the code from the previous project, which still has the Android X code in it. So I pasted it here, and you know my project, this one is not the Android X project, so there was some compatibility issues. So first I had to change this to the Android support guideline, not the Android X, delete the X out, and then do the same thing for the second guideline also, which is the Android support guideline. So that is the first error that you have to fix. Now the second error is because of my Drawables. Okay, now as you know, in recent versions of Android Studio they introduced the Drawable v24. So if you put any image view there, hoping for it to be rendered in the XML, I don't think it will show up an error. So that was what happened to me. So I had to move my drawables, my images, my text, all of them to the normal drawable folder. So that was what fixed that little problem. Once you do that, you see that everything will be working as it should. So I'm going to pause the video again and then resume. So here, there is it. As you can see, the project is working smoothly. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button if you like it, and also subscribe to my channel for more Android tutorial. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you, and I will see you in my next tutorial that I'll be starting. Bye.